So yeah, we run Auxano Capital, so we want all of you to be part of us. Now let's have some more data. This is what we have done. So one of the points which you see is that our realized IRR is 21% and unrealized is 25%. This is from inception. We also have got a drawdown, write-off. We also have markups. Some of our companies are doing really well, and this is a very conservative estimate. So now let's understand what more. So we have 3 funds. So we started in 2016 as an SPV, did out 10 odd investments. We started the Cat 1 Angel Fund in 19. This is a SEBI regulated fund, so we are regulated left, right, center. We believe more in compliances. So when SEBI made mandatory the compliance officer in 2022, we already had someone right from 2019. So it's not only in spirit, but also in form, which you want to, both in spirit and form you want to do. Most important part today is that as India is growing and foreign money is coming in. Let me put this way. Gift City Fund, we got a 50 million fund, we got a license last week. Over the last 3-year period, do you know the FI investments in India? FI investments in India. Foreigners ने India में कितना पैसा डाला last 3 साल में, ending December 23? Single digit, 8 billion. And domestic institutional investors, which is all of us in this room, put how much? Absolutely. How much? That was 8 billion. Nearly 9 times. So we have lot of power, both bronze and brains, and also money power. So let's put money here. So someone asked, why not Meta from here? Why not Amazon from here? Yeah, unless we put money, how will we have our homegrown behemoths? So we need to have that in play. And that is where today, if I talk about how, there's an ad which says, Mr. Matthias says, yaar, daag achhe hote hain. So sometimes when all this ruckus is happening around us saying that the behemoths are falling, it's a good sign that, the folks who are going to come up now and take it up, order up, the governance will be much better. So let's be part of that. Let's not do spray and pray, but be a part of the whole ecosystem. So that is where, when the Gift City says what it says, that, we are one of the few funds wherein money in dollars can come into India with the home country documentation. So we are laid down the path both for mainland investments as well as offshore investments. Not to forget, money has to come from here for the India fund, because then only we can have the homegrown behemoths. So this is where we say now. So if this is since inception, when we started the fund when we started in 2016, the fund started in 2019. So we got a realized IRR of 21.2%, which is, I think, much more than what Nifty, or an unrealized of 25.9, which is really conservative. So we had our case of mishaps also. But having said that, irrespective of all of that, if we are able to beat the indices, I think we should be doing something good. That's one of the benchmarks we should consider. So why I'm putting out this slide, why we are putting this slide? Because as an investor, for you, asset allocation is the key. Both public markets and private markets. So we had everyone talking about the public markets and private markets, but we should also be a part of this journey and not shy away. So why? We have a pearl of things strategy. We look at next-gen tech-enabled consumer-focused businesses, and which look at category creator, market creators, and market owners. Today, actually, in the Auxano verse, I think we had a gentleman, and he was a lawyer. I'll not take his name. He said, Mugafi and private circle, दोनों के साथ बैठ के, I can create a fantastic thriller. So how he was able to capture the essence in less than 5 minutes, fantastic. Then that means the folks out there would have been doing real good. So we have all deep techs out there. So I think if you have seen that, done that, if you have not had a chance to play, then you should also play. We are all young kids at heart. So this is what we do. We have an aspiring population. You have put in $71 billion over the last 3 years in India in the public markets. Open your purse. Also put part in the private markets. And we have wealth creation out there. So you have immersive technologies, but having said that, the bricks and mortars will still be there. Please understand that. So bricks and mortars. So if you say today a lot of online which came in first, they have also gone offline. You take Lenskart, you take Nykaa, you take anyone out there. So bricks and mortars will also be there. You talk luxury goods. Have you seen, Bulgari has come out with a kada for men. Can you guess the price? 12 lakhs. And it's selling like hotcakes. So our office is next door. So we have a Porsche and a BM showroom just near our office. On the Dhanteras day, can you guess the Porsches and the BMs we got sold? Individually kitna chala gaya tha? It's in double digits, by the way. 10 Porsches and 16 BMs were sold. Only on that day. And this is one of the biggest dealers in India. So I call this street the avocado street, So we are that 1% lucky folks. So having said that, open the purse, be a part of it. And today we have a lot of promoters. I don't call them founders. A lot of promoters, a lot of deep dives. We have a lot of senior professionals out here. Have a look, both public markets and private markets. I make a bold statement. Public market should deliver 10x in 10 years because of the way we are growing. And if that is going to happen, then the private market should definitely deliver more. But again, having said that, I'm only saying kal se kal tak. So 23 se 2030, have fun. Thank you.